Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have the Smart Devil glass protector, which we are going to review right here. So in case you have any device you feel like you want to get a glass protector, there's actually an easy one you can use to slap on your device in order to get it protected. So let's check this out. So shout out to Smart Devil for sponsoring this video right here, and it's easy to just peel this off and then you are going to get your protector in here right away. So let's do it, and then we have it right here, what we have in our box so far. Okay, so that's it right here. Let's put it right here, and then we have some nice packaging right here. That's pretty cool. And also we have the wipes, what we are supposed to use first. So it shows right here: cleaning wipes, dry wipes for screen cleaning, and then also we have dust stickers. That's the last part. In case you have some dust on the phone, you're going to use the stickers to take them away. So that's what we need to do. So this is what film installation kits, and then also that's it right here, film installation kits. All right, so let's check what we have right here too. So this is our main deal, our glass protector, what we are going to do. Alrighty, so our glass protector, this is it right here. Okay, so let's put it right here, and then let's check out this one, what's in this paper. Okay, so the glass protector, we have two. So that is one here, we have one here, and then also we have a spare one right here. So in case maybe one gets broken, you can have a spare one right here. Thanks to Smart Devil for doing this packaging for us. I think it's quite cool. You get two for yourself. So this one is actually going to go for the next one. So this is going to go for this one right here. We are going to fix right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to tear this off, open, ready, and then we're going to check it out. So this is the first one we are going to use right here. So we're just going to take this off, or peel this off, and then we wipe our screen thoroughly in order to prevent any dust or anything on the screen. And yeah, we're going to get our glass protector slapped on. And this glass protector is actually easy to use because you don't have to measure the screen of the device. All you need to do is you follow the steps, and then you're going to get everything done smoothly and easy for yourself. So this is something anyone can do from anywhere they are in this world. So the second one is this wipe right here. This is the second one, and it's easy to go through with it because you can see it's stated on it right here, number 2. So we are going to clean for this run, and once you are done and then you feel there are some dust on the device, on the screen, you're going to use the third wipe to just wipe the screen like that in order to prevent any other things or like some kind of debris on your device. So let's put this one right here, and then let's get a third one, which is the sticker. So that is what we are going to use. So you stick it on the screen, and then you take it off like something like this. Like this. So the last thing you are going to do is now the time for us to slap our glass protector on our device. So with it right here, you're gonna see it's this way. So this is actually going to be the top, and then you cover the phone with a glass protector like this. So it's going to be on top of it, and then you pull this one right here, and then it's actually going to be left on the screen for 10 seconds, and you're going to see it just working directly. So with this right here, we are just going to put it on the screen this way. We can just choose to turn our screen. We put it on it this way, and then we make sure it sits on it like that, and then we pull it, and then we leave it for 10 seconds, and it's actually going to just stick on the screen right away. So this is easy. So after 10 seconds, we are going to see everything. So when you check on the screen like this, you're going to see that it's moving slowly, 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 you can see. So this is how your glass protector is going to look on your phone after you are done slapping it on. And it looks very, very clean right here. You can see it looks very, very clean and neat. So I'm going to leave the links to this glass protector in my description, so in case you want to purchase it, you're just going to use the link in my description to purchase. And also let me know in the comment section what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.